Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
We are making a chocolate chip pizza.
All right.
Let's get to it. All right, so first we're going to start with our pizza crust. It's just one of these Pillsbury pizza crust. And I just took it out, laid it down in the pan, and then pushed it to the edges to make sure that it went to every edge. And we're going to set that aside for a second. We're going to make our pizza. Now, chocolate chip pizza is not a cookie dough pizza. It's actually made with cake. In this case, we're using this. You know, in Pizza Inn, they use a mix. You don't know what kind it is. But this one seems to work well because it's a smaller cake mix than like a big, like Betty Crocker, Duncan Hines size would be a little too much cake. So this is more, I think, more consistent with what you would be looking for. And you just take the mix plus a stick of butter. And we're gonna just mix that together. Okay, so my experience, I worked in a Pizza Inn for 3 years. In my experience, this is what it should look like. And we're just gonna take that out and we're going to put it on the pizza crust. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to spread this out all the way to the ends. We want to go all the way to the edge, but we don't want it to be a real thick coating because if we have a thick coating, it's going to puff up in that one spot. So we're going to even it out and make sure we go to all the edges so we can make sure it's super thin. Okay, so I've got it spread out to the edges. It took some doing. I didn't have this problem the last time. I tried to do it in a smaller shape and not long like this, so I should just use my pizza pan and try that way. But so you're supposed to, at this point, go with about 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I didn't really measure out 6 ounces. I just didn't quite fill up the whole cup, so it's close. But look, you know, if a little chocolate chips is good, a lot has got to be better, right?
Yep.
That's right. We know this isn't necessarily a healthy recipe, but we believe in balance. It's good to have a little sweet in your life so that you don't go crazy and binge because you never get anything sweet. Start eating everything you can find if you convince yourself you have to go to the store or something and get some chocolate. Eat all the chocolate. So, just a little every once in a while. Okay, what do you think? Is there any more chocolate chips in that?
Oh. No need to waste them.
Well, I'd be eating them at some point. They ain't gonna be wasted. Okay. Okay, so yes, you see we're putting even more because we want it to be nice and good. Okay, so we're putting it in the oven. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna put it in there for 11 minutes and see how that goes. Okay, so we've got it completed, and I will say this is a little more crust than I wanted, but this didn't spread out as far as it should have. And see, so the recipe that I'm trying to use here, it said to use a circle pan, and I have a circle pizza pan, and the last time I used it, I didn't use it all the way out to the whole thing because it said it should make a small pizza, keep it small. So I didn't fill up the whole pizza pan. So next time I think I will try the pizza pan and make sure it goes to all the edges. And if I have to, I'll cut some of the crust off to make sure that it doesn't, so that I know that it fits, but it's not a lot of dough there. And but you want it to fill the edges. So, but this is what it looks like. And these middle pieces really look pretty good. They're just not quite as much cake as what I'm used to from when I worked there. But like I said, if I had done the pizza pan, maybe it would have worked out better. So I will probably be trying this again. I think, there we go. I'm sure that I'll be trying this again in the future. But this is it, and it is a lot better than what it once was. And let's see. That's pretty close. Pretty close. All right, so I think we're pretty happy with that.
All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notifications bell for notifications when we upload new videos. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and sometimes on the weekends. And comment below.
If you ever have been to a Pizza Inn and you've had a chocolate chip pizza from that restaurant, tell us down in the description.
Let us know. Yep. Let us know that. All right, so I think that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I am Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.